Hey James. Could you make it look like my sister isn't holding her middle finger up? Thank you. Sure. Hey Jamie, can you make her look like my real girlfriend? And can you cover up the scars on my legs? Done.
Hi James, could you please remove the guy watering the plants in the background?
Sure.
Hi James, your edits are so amazing. Is there any chance of removing the pizzas from the background so the picture looks a bit more classy? Thank you.
Hurry up.
Hi there. How about you doctor up a pic to cheer us doctors and nurses up? What do you say?
You guys are doing an amazing job.
Hey James, could you please remove my friend from the background?
Sure.
Hi James, I love your work. Could you get rid of that wood thing full of bird in front of me? Ha ha ha, thank you.
Luxury dining with a view.
Somehow adjust my hands and make it look like I'm holding a glowing orb ball? Thank you.
There you go.
Hey James, my hands look weird. Can you make it look like I'm holding the pole instead?
Sure.
Hey, can you make me look like I am in a really cool place and not a lake in the background?
Sure.